So this is my new to me air compressor. I traded a family member. The one I had was fine. It was working great. All that was good. But this is a little bit more of an industrial type unit. A little bigger motor, bigger tank. With all the stuff I do, I just needed something a little bit bigger. Like I say, the other one was fine. It wasn't hurting at any of that. This just will recover faster. And anyway, when I was running it the other day, I noticed that this valve down here, when it was pumping up, it was just blowing air out of it. How it's supposed to work is air comes out of the pump, down this tube, down into the tank, and then this little valve just kind of bleeds air out of the head, so it doesn't have a bunch of air in it when it kicks back on. Anyway, so this valve's bad, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, first thing, I'm going to take this little cover off. Just a Phillips screwdriver. If you have this same model, it's a Phillips. And that exposes the switch. And then there's a little Phillips back here that just holds the little valve in. And that needs to come out. And then this little thing just kind of pops out of there. That's not supposed to come apart like that. These are kind of pushed in. That's your little valve thing that keeps the air from bleeding off or whatever. And then the next deal, take this little nut off for the ferrule. It's not super tight. Okay, so here's the new part number and whatnot. And this is the new little valve. As you can see, it's that little plastic thing's not supposed to come out like it did on the other one. And it just goes back in the hole. You can see the little hole right there. Just pops in there like that. And then your new screws. This just has one screw, some have two, I guess. It just goes in here. And reconnect the tube. Then replace your cover. Now I'll kick it on and show you what happens. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on and test it. It's going to be kind of loud, so bear with me. Hear that little hiss at the end? That's what it's supposed to do. And it's not blowing air out from underneath here anymore. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.